Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to use Canva for social media marketing. Canva is a fantastic graphic design tool that allows you to create stunning design for your social media account. Whether you're a small business owner or a social media influencer, Canva can help you create professional looking design that will attract and engage your audience. So let's get started. First, let's choose the right template for your design. As this is just for a social media, so we are going to click on this social media icon. And from here you can see Canva has a wide range of templates specifically designed for the social media platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, and many more. As we need a social media post just for an Instagram, now search for the Instagram. And from here select the template for the Instagram post. You can choose from different categories such as quotes, such as winter, sport events, news, food, and many more. Let's select the social media post for the sports event. Just click on it. And now select the template. Once you find the right template, just click on it and click on customize this template. Now let's make some changes. You can add your own picture here. You can simply delete this, or you can add the picture on top of this one. You can upload your own picture, or you can search on this search bar for the pictures. You can upload your own picture, or you can search on this search bar for the pictures. I'm going to select this picture. Just click on it and drag it right here. Double click on it. And this looks good. You can customize this text. Just double click on it and add your own text. Canva allows you to edit, customize your templates in many ways. You can change the background. Just click on it. Change the color for the background. You can also make the changes by making the text bigger or changing the text color by making it more appealing to the audience. Finally, it's time to publish your design. You can simply just save this image by clicking on File and click on Download. Here you can select the format for your image. After selecting the format, just click on Download. Now you can use this image as your social media post. By doing so, this will engage and attract your audience to your social media. So that's it guys. Using Canva for social media marketing is super easy and fun. With its user-friendly interface and powerful tools, you can create stunning design that will help you to promote your brands and connect with your audience. So go ahead and give it a try and let us know how it goes. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos like this. I'll see you in the next one.